How to buy Tigo Solana token. So this token came under the symbol of Tigo, T-I-G-O. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, just go and check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. This is much more important. So to be able to buy this token as you can see, it's available on the screener and it just launched by 57 minutes ago. So it's brand new token. As you can see, this token is increased by 50,000% in the last 24 hours, and the last 5 minutes is increased by 28%. As you can see, they have a good project, as you see here, guys. The market cap is $9.6 million, and the volume is $2.8 million. And the liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's good. It means your investment in a safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and remember this token address, it came under the Solana network. Now the best wallet for that, it's Phantom Wallet. Open your Phantom Wallet. Now click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet for that, and click here and paste the token address. As you can see, so this is our token. Now click on it. Here enter how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, select your provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issues on your buy process, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Tigo Solana wallet token. Sorry. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.